Hey grown-ups, I wanted to have a quick chat with you about what things are going to look like for Monday. Normally, Monday would be our independent day. I would prepare some teaching videos, give the kids some assignments, and they would work all by themselves. The next 2 Mondays will be a little bit different. We have to take a standardized assessment. It's called the MAP test, MAP, and it stands for Measure of Academic Progress. Um, this Monday, we will take the reading portion, and then next Monday, we will take the math portion. So I still want everybody to log on to Zoom right around 9 o'clock Monday morning. If you're a few minutes late, it's okay, but we will start that assessment right at 9:30. So please log on to Zoom at 9. We'll do a couple of quick activities Monday morning, and then we will have them get started. Once they start the assessment, their Zoom will close. They will not be able to hear me. I won't hear them. They'll just be working by themselves. So a couple of notes about what to expect. I am going to attach another video to this email, so I want you to watch that next. And it's a video of a gentleman showing you how to log in and what things will look like for your end. He's going to log in with a test session name and a password. You don't have to worry about doing that. I really just want you to watch so you know what things will look like. I will give you your kiddos' login and password on Monday. Okay, so you won't have to worry about doing any of that yet, but he's going to show you what things are going to look like on your end. One of the most important things is when you log in and things get moving, right before they start, a window will pop up that will say something like map, lock screen. I don't even remember what it says, but you have two choices at the bottom, no or yes. Push yes. If we were in the classroom taking this, I would probably have like 10 kindergartners accidentally push no. So it happens, it's fine. But what's going to happen is it will take them back to the beginning. I will have to do something on my end to fix it, and it just takes some time. So for that part, I want you to help them make sure you push yes. All right, next is that I want to encourage you parents to refrain from assisting in any way. I need as accurate data as possible so that I know where they are and where I need to take them. If you are assisting and encouraging and pushing them along and telling them answers, we're not going to get accurate results. We might have something that says, "Oh, this kid's ready for third grade," and we know that's not the case. So do your best to not assist. Where you can be helpful and what it would look like if we were in the classroom taking it. And remember, you wouldn't be there if we were in the classroom. I would be walking around encouraging them to keep going, work hard, do your best, things like that. So that's where you can be their support system. And another way that you can help is it's okay to help them manipulate the exam. For example, sometimes it asks them to move an object on the screen. And unless they've updated it, the drag feature doesn't work. So for example, they might play on their iPad and they can drag things. You know how that works. On MAP, they actually have to touch it and then touch the place where it's supposed to go. And that can be confusing. And what will happen is they'll get frustrated and they start crying because they can't do it. And if they were here in the classroom, I would say, okay, show me where you want to put it. And I would tell them how to work it. But please don't tell them the right answers or even encourage the right answers. At the beginning, it's going to be pretty easy. It's going to ask them for the reading portion. It might ask them letters or sounds or things like that. But then as they get so many answers correct, the test will gradually get harder. And it's going to take them to questions where they won't know the answer, and that's okay. They still have to make a guess and then move on. So please do your best to refrain from assisting. Have them, if you have siblings at home that will also be taking it, have them separated so that they can work by themselves. The next thing I want to talk to you about is rapid guessing is what we call that. Sometimes we will have kiddos just answer, push next, answer, push next, answer, push. Really try to encourage them to take their time, listen to the question, make the best choice before they move on. If I will get an alert if they are rapid guessing, and after they do it so many times, it will kick them out and then they'll have to do it again, and that will make them even more frustrated. So just encourage them to take their time, listen, and make the best choice. The other thing is I do not want you to read this test to them. If they were taking it in the classroom, they would all be sitting down with little headphones. I would not read them the questions, but you will see as they move along, every question will have a little speaker, have them touch the speaker, and it will be read to them. Now, some of you might, if they're doing really well, it might take them to a place where the speaker disappears because the assessment thinks, okay, this kiddo knows how to read. Let's take the speaker away and have them read the question. If that happens, don't read it to them still. Just have them make their best guess and move on. Okay, but always show them, all right, remember, push the speaker, listen, think about it, make your best choice, move on. I think that was all I needed to cover with you. I want you to know I'm here. If you have questions, you have my cell number. Don't hesitate to call or text me. I'll attach it to this email again. So please be in touch. Let me know how things go, and best wishes. Remember, this is the only thing that they will have to do on Monday. Once that exam is over, you guys have the rest of the day to yourselves. Best wishes, and I will see you again Monday morning at 9. But don't forget to watch the next video that I'm going to attach so you know what things will look like. Thanks, guys.